Hey guys, Ryan here from Hub City Overlanding, and I really wanted to show you a product that I've been using and testing for the last 6 months. The product I want to talk about is the Magnus Line from Afraid Not Ropes. In this day and age where there's, steel cables, synthetic ropes, it's got a lot of metal ends, whether it's a hook or a flat link. I really wanted to work with Ian on a product that's a little bit more safe, anything from ATVs to trucks to big rigs. And the biggest thing is safety. And with that, we ended up working together with amongst other overlanders and off-roaders for a soft winch line, which is now called the Magnus Winch Line. All it is really is a synthetic rope with a knot to create a soft shackle at the very end. And that's basically what it is. And the beauty thing is, if this end breaks, you can replace it. You don't have to replace the whole winch line, just the end. Obviously, if the winch breaks, you should replace that when you can. If you're in a pinch, do what you gotta do. You have different sizes. This one's a 3/8, you can do 1/2 inch. You can even do smaller for your ATV usage. So that's amazing. And I mean, it's strong. Like, I'll test it out here just so you have an idea. If you want to add this to your rig, amongst other products such as soft shackles and kinetic ropes, check it out. It's Canadian made and it's super safe. Go check out Afraid Not Ropes. I'm going to put the link to their site right here. And when you add this to your cart, type in the code for the discount Magnus and you should receive 10% off. Until next time, take care.